And then you see now your baby team come on a fast show is industry. And now and send me to that. I just say video be around say call social media and so circulate here no you move about a friend of perpetual did I just say only a year former high life musician my friend Papa Shi to say we evangelist your friend evangelist Papa Shi I just say when we are no in the studios of Kingdom FM and we be someone a year reverend of for one year and then no matwachi ababa and I said perpetual did I just say me no eba bi didi for sansem no mo say eba ne sen as asem no ayi dijai o Ghana hasa iti ma mema na kwaba na yemfa yenkomo twetwe no enhyehyɛ so petro mo kwaba eda so do ba na akomite se me ado me in 1 minute ye ka say perpetual didi a o ye wan eda so be bro me di sa kwanya wo yi ade beda nyankopon ase se one mama hoden na sumina so ade te se me so afra me ameka ne nyanko ama na me so bitumi gina bedwo eto ne ho no esa so di ne ho adanse e ma afoforo so eni woje esa so yenhira de raria se me so eda me papa Reverend Francis Kuku Antweje enne me mama Queen Sierra of APC and the piece of shining na Mammy Cookie or management. And my friends are moving. So we can say the Petrolidia in Aqua and as after a year. One of my young to also a legit and don't ever once after granted. Yes, me too, I don't want to. Yes, so I kind of said, a servant of God through music. Alright. Me who most of the time say sweetie for me or is it like sorry anointed? Is it anointed Palace Chapel or something APC? One hour sorry and I say yeah, gospel musician in that show. Obia will be not so. But offer a baby, because it's actually an evangelist because a threat, Namiashi. And me, baby, me call sorry, I will shop at the Sunday. I mean, the program of the year, APC, me APC member. And to what kind of sanity? And young Shirley see a rap. Kingdom Plus almost studio no bane sing asem ne ko ba wo ye den wo akosia evangelist Papa Shia yes what person say story am who is say what rainy cases on evangelist Papa Shia bane sing me dey say bebre no ania see ya no your children me call for a normal interview. I was called by Fifi Grant to come and do interview at Kingdom FM the team. I mean, when I'm in the Papa Shi, I me call and who's on so I will show this. Always a presenter for sometimes who to me interview two artists from there. So I'm saying beside this year. And interview me about my life and about my Reverend Obofo. Me so me can't me call on me me just home come din kwa me kasai. Bible say ye be yam from so etia Jesus Christ. Bible from so etia Nyankopon but ye from so tia won konkoro a ye fa nche yenda. And there so be monitia won konkoro a okwa hell straight. And I me kasa e dey won konkoro e ma dance ni about the am akọ me ko APC as a church member na ko hu amidi mo dance. Because who can come Bible no a lot of instances here now they fight against men of God. What I say, Jeremiah Femu, Paul Femu, because Jeremiah 18:18, you say, Yantamasi, or man who never say, Yantamasi, Yansha, Yanka and Tor and to Jeremiah, so say, Jeremiah can be a only say, oh, Jeremiah 18:18 to 23. Okay, can I open? And I was answering in Acts chapter 23, verse 12, I say, they took a vow that they will not rest until they kill Paul
Okay, can at 5:17. I mean, or say, then the high priest and all his, all your can now one can say me
Then the high priest and all his companions, members of the local party of the Sadducees, became extremely jealous of the apostles, so they decided to take action. They arrested the apostles and put them in the public jail. 19 was said, but that night an angel of the Lord opened the prison gate, led the apostles out, and said to them, "Go and stand in the temple and tell the people all about this new life." 21 was said, the apostles obeyed, and at dawn they entered the temple and started teaching.
The mention 18 and 17. What did I say? They arrested the apostles and put them in the public jail. Now, just who fight Jesus Christ and also for the name, a man who become. Yes, you are Cassan so by a friend so near Johnny and that's what he savior. Ono so much as what the bay young and the because the more fashion sign to me to test you. Edu go and not their thing obi ani tina omo mo fi se wo mo no mo ba na mhunu ma che mo se yesu je mo no nyam ti ani omo de e kwa mo fa so yo ma de no mo tumi yesu de be different sa de yesu omo do ma dwen kan se yesu de every bronsam wari ase do be no ko mo se mo stone no kura to amene enti o the instances be bre to ho na ne ye ko apostles be so actually tia omo a etia Paul. They make what I say. And the next and I can go at they took a vow that they will not
I'm this is and resting
and talking about jealousy at a jealous. A person making kind of and one say, then the high priest and all his companions, members of, or say high priest, high priest, and then the companions, and then apart for members of the local party of the Sadducees became extremely jealous of the apostles. So they decided to take action. They arrested near person the BS the Papa Reverend above us. And to me put a nona 50 plat every Sunday about Reverend above. So what it is and send me family say actually I'm not for later almost motion later. Almost claim almost I can't say almost from Yamina from almost so can and I just said they are to Jesus Christ. They are to Paul, they are to Daniel, money and any Jeremiah, maybe I never show at your make Papa Reverend Buffalo. And see, I conform actually tell Reverend Buffalo say, Uncle for any that's why on woman any that's shown Reverend Buffalo more money that's shown up banner Sharia on a contract. And I made the amount of direction said. O shire bibia shows how the nipa no de digibie som no di to anamo a ebesi ni yie enipa bia gina so de ku atia no ene ebisi wo bible mo Moses so nyakopon ma ne de poma ye wonders o de bible ko mu ni ade papa no so won Jessica na momo se wo bibia freedom ho a wo ku mese na me difu a Bible say you don't go to the prophet with an empty hand. As I would the empty hand because Nyame and Adam was seen any prophet. It's evangelical any prophet ministry different. Then idea evangelist better prophet I said that. And the Bible said, do also then don't touch my anointed and do my prophet no harm. I don't want to say don't touch my anointed and do my evangelist no harm. I said you're a prophet no and nyame difo nyame ni kunu because ona okan ye nyame adwen bibi be sia nyame aka no ti mo de nyame ndan nyame bi nkyere mo mo de say mo ye teachings but Jesus God no ye teachers how to be a prophet come on you be say you should go a prophet of God and kasa And you won't tell ministry now, say prophetic ministry now, say don't condemn. Who claim me say Obi eto ma dia o sure dem o ton abai phone ko to we you actually, which you have not come physical to come and do your investigations and no say nipa na yan pass eto na ton na say ya for the book
or see reverend for ton
eto mo nye no sure dem on say pass wa ko baby na egu baba ho fi na wo so nim no kra no na
it and on sansem no kan
kingdom wa attack reverend for in my presence. Aba onu shmedi kan kase mo say me reverend for eba na yes so come into kwa.
Okay.
That's what brought
now Ebra wo call Kingdom FM. Did they tell you say amode evangelist Papa Shims?
No.
You didn't know say
I didn't know.
Okay.
Tini ko to na fi say dia fi say member nti na bi o ma. O ba in case member. Some me ma dey. Okay. Na say wa betu say me te wa sana me kwa me nimpo so wa camera papa re bo for ma say mbone na sa ya so wa kana wa say mbone wo baby a ko radio bi a re bo for okuti bi re bo for onye free na me onyo obewu na so be say na ne begu ase re bo for say wa kan say mbone for ni onni na so bi evidence bi a so ntia no adan oton even the word that you use say obi to ade o so dem on free wa nti a onya no dem o yesa me papa no kwa so on to ade e na de tie so ne say quotation no dina so tie odi enya nwode de cancer mo negum papa ni mu ase say quotation no on no tie ase papa she baby Christian until he should come back again.
Oh, come baby Christian.
Yes, mama trust here. Papa she Jesus Christ bu fu ndom so moton ade wo asho dem na enya asho dem active ti say bia me papa run of asho le ya kwa na se Pentecost asho dem ya asho le ya bo nyamenyum ye preaching e say ya tomatoes bebeto and to say bebeto asho le ya Jesus Christ I can so basi on the one day that could be go asho that not 3 days and a year Pharisee for na hin no mo say hi wo bushum woman you can say near sure ne be ye hu mi na ti mu na o de tu no to me san yarwa ne wunya ne afu to bi say o ye ban sa sure that na so ube na ne ya ho na ne be didwa
I see
ti ano mo ya ba di so mo de ho be gane agbugbeshi market nti na asole nkoso ye sisi asole to asole na ye no market ye no market ye de be gane no nyama da ne market place instead of actually, they don't go there. I'm going to church. They are going to market.
Okay.
And yeah, this is a buffo. And I'm not going to never to sample on the hand and show me. They are meant to ask here. And so who can say be free? I mean, this is buffo to be to my show them free. And the Pentecost will soon pray around it. Rome will soon pray around it. This